Day, Ghana. Welcome to Cadet TV coverage of the Greater Accra Regional Cadet Drill Competition, broadcasting live from the 5th Infantry Battalion, Burma Camp. I, Cadet Priscilla, I am your host for today. We are set to witness an extraordinary display of precision, discipline, and teamwork as 27 senior high schools and junior high schools from Greater Accra merge here to compete for the coveted position of the winner of 2025's drill competition. Stay tuned for non-stop action, exclusive behind-the-scenes insight, and inspiring stories from today's event. Thank you.
If it is time to go, deduct mark. Anybody who falls down, -2. Anybody who falls down, -2. Take it from me. Those of you who are not wearing headdresses, -5. And when the competition starts, no contingent should come here without headdresses. If you are part of the competition or you are part of the contingent, you must wear headdress before you march on parade. If you don't have any headdress, don't be part of the contingent. And the judges, take away the point.
Thank you very much, sir. And now was the goal of the unit Allison.
95, sir. Sir, inspection of our commission. Yes, sir.
And now the goal goes and done their inspection.
Okay, Commander, attention, President, let's go. March of the parade. Forte. Announce that. The first for
Right after the first school come and prepare to stand by.
Oh, Baba. I'm going to say, those people, they should move like
Right after the we stand by. That is the cadet second
What's that?
Blessed Clementina. You stand by.